looking to come to Colorado, they know that these aerospace companies exist.
So please briefly into the fall to achieve the mystic word once everyone compliance, so we're through.
Also, I teach a self-report system coaching. Those are
Colorado's big. There's a lot of driving involved, just in general. But it's just wonderful to see all the people who are interested in space, even if it's not their main activity, and wanting to get involved and open to the ideas of assistance, either from Colorado Space Business Roundtable or other organizations. I see Colorado Space Business Roundtable as an opportunity to connect people, to help them thrive, whatever that is. If it's giving them resources, if they want to get into aerospace, that's something that we can provide through our partnerships and our member organizations.
The way that we've been able to promote Western Slope businesses to do business with folks on the Front Range and to actually get their products going into space has a value that's just immeasurable.
I think one of my biggest takeaways is just seeing what's out there, the talent and the amazing students that they have out in this part of the state, and I think that next year we need to do a better job of getting the word out on this program so I can fill the entire thing with rural students, because right now I've been about half full of rural students and the rest come from the Front Range, so I want a full class of all rural students this year.
But I've always felt it's a really good way of getting and seeing the small industry that started outside of the Front Range. I was very surprised how much of it is in there.
There have been just so many amazing moments. The Broadband in Meeker and Rangeley, as you said, was the fastest you've ever experienced. That brings economy, that brings education, that brings all good things to a community that is sort of out of reach and sort of people don't go to. So that was awesome. The day at Rangeley when we got to load you and Jennifer into the airplane to take some amazing video from an aerial view and see the #2 competitive pilots program in the nation, only under the Air Force Academy.
And it's also letting people know that even if they aren't a nerd like I was or into engineering, there are places in that industry where you can thrive and bring your talents to that.
The ceiling truly is, the sky truly is the limit, right?
Yeah, I actually, over the course of this road trip, started thinking about Capco and Wren and some of those industries that are out here on the Western Slope getting involved in the internship.
When my students go in to see, they don't have to be trained. They already know how to use it and they're fairly proficient. And that's the things that I don't think a lot of companies outside of the aerospace industry really understand that's available for them.
After we've been through so many places in rural areas of Colorado, it's really everybody's problem. And so therefore, how do we go back and help? Not leave them behind, but go back, and this is just an introductory to grow with them.